where the length dominates the width. It defines a space and creates outline to a shape. It gives a sense of direction. Joining many lines can make a mask or volume. Types of lines. There are vertical lines, horizontal lines, oblique lines, and curved lines. Vertical lines. Vertical lines causes the eye to move up and down because it's a human nature that whenever we start seeing something, we end up seeing it till the end. It makes a space look taller. The length of the line is very high as compared to its width, making it dominate the width. If we will give vertical lines in a space, then because of its length, the room will look taller. It symbolizes power. Here, it can be easily figured out that the black wall and the hangings all around are dominating the entire space. It depicts growth. Don't you feel that these random lines which are moving towards the ceiling are depicting growth? Like they are fighting with each other. They are in a race that which line will grow fast and will reach the top of the ceiling. It symbolizes power and spirituality. As you can see this example of Burj Khalifa. It is the tallest building in the world. This building is very high as compared to its contextual buildings. So it is showing power as it is dominating the entire city of Dubai. And now when you will see at the top of the building, you will notice that something is directing towards the sky, which indicates spirituality. Vertical lines give a sense of activeness. If you have ever noticed that when we are in an active mood, we stand erect with our posture upright. But when we are in lethargic mood, then we stand casually, sometimes half standing, half falling on the ground. So vertical lines give a sense of activeness. Horizontal lines. It can make the building room and furniture seem wider and shorter. As I said earlier, that when we see something, we end up seeing it till the end. Here the lines are horizontal. Hence the horizontal pattern is dominating the verticality of the room. As you can see the image, the interior gives a feeling of coziness because of its scale and more use of horizontal components. Like vertical lines give a sense of activeness, similarly the horizontal lines give a sense of relaxation. We tend to relax in the room surrounded with horizontal lines. Diagonal lines. It gives a sense of activity, movement. See this image? Your eyes will start moving with the lines and leads you to the other side. It gives us a direction also. Curved lines. It is an organic form of lines. It gives us a busy look, sometimes maybe confusing. It gives a sense of smoothness. It moves with the flow that is naturally.